Want to thrive in tech? The IBM Skills Build AI course is your ticket to the future. AI is transforming industries and reshaping the future of work. With IBM Skills Build, you can harness this power and position yourself for success. Our course covers everything from AI's fascinating history to its groundbreaking applications. You'll explore how AI systems use neural networks, build your own models with IBM Watson Studio, and navigate the ethics of AI. Hands-on experience? Check. Industry-leading insights? Double check. Whether you're switching careers or upskilling, this course equips you with the knowledge and skills to thrive in the AI-driven workforce. Ready to unlock your potential? Enroll in the IBM Skills Build AI course today and step into a world of endless possibilities. Start your AI journey now.